welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about some photo shoot ideas that I think that are a must for you to take during summer. And I just think that sometimes we get stuck and we don't know like where to go or what props to use. I did the research for you guys and I am going to share all the summer photo shoot ideas that I have right now. I made a Pinterest board and I have them all here. If you want to follow me on Pinterest, I'll have the little thing right here on the screen so you guys will go check it out. And it's also, the link is always in the description box, as well as my Instagram and other links that I may have. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the photo shoot ideas. So the first summer photo shoot idea that I have for you is to do a creative photo shoot. This girl that you're looking at right now, she has a flower as a skirt. And then the other girl that I'm showing you right now, instead of a flower, she has a seashell as a skirt. And then the other girl, she has some sunflowers covering her chest and acting as if it was a bra. So the next photo shoot idea that I have for you is to take a picture using a coconut as a prop. You can take a cute picture sipping a little coconut at the beach, sipping coconut at a market. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you is to take a picture using a summer hat. I think that these pictures are so cute. You could just put a hat on your head as part of your outfit and do something fun with it. Like this girl right here is covering her face with a hat, and I just think that it's so cute and so fun and it's so beautiful, that photo. So the next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to take pictures of cute little scenarios that you find in the beach. Like for example, these are a lot of pink seats with pink and purple umbrellas, and I just think it looks like super girly and aesthetic. So that's something fun. We also have a little van, a little pink van, which I think it screams summer. We also have some bikes and you can see the beach on this photo. It's like some cute scenarios that you see and some cute props that you may find in the beach. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to create like a photo shoot idea inspired by your bucket list. Like for example, these photos right here, you can see that you have like a fort and you can have like a date night over there, and I just think that it looks so cute, that idea. Then we have this little truck and you have some popcorn. Like apparently you're just going to watch a movie and just chill there or just stargaze. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to take a picture while you are reading a book at the beach. You know, those pictures are like really chill. Like I came to the beach not to party but just to like chill and relax and just read my favorite book, and I just think that that's the vibe from these pictures, like the vibe that I get from them. So I just think that that is a wonderful idea for you guys to recreate. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to take a picture in a hammock. Who doesn't go and sit and relax on a hammock during the summer? I just think that it's a must and it looks so relaxing, so fun to just sit there. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys, I call it like the classic photo shoot ideas, where you can have like a little robe on. You could be with your tea, with your coffee, relaxing. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is, I call it like the wonders, and I call it that way because, you know, the point of this photo idea is not you, it's all about the nature. So in this photo you can appreciate like a girl looking at the beach and looking at the sand and looking at the mountains, looking at the clouds. So the next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys, it has to do with your outfit. Like put on a cute summer outfit and just take some photos, take some normal photos with that outfit and have the focus of the picture be your outfit. So that's cute. The next summer photo shoot idea has to do with you being on palm trees, because if you go to the beach, you're probably gonna find some palm trees and you could go and walk over them and take a picture in your swimsuit and walking over a palm tree. You can also sit there, lay there, and just look good while doing it. Another photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is for you to just sit down on the beach and pose in a really sexy manner. You know, just like flip your hair, take off your glasses and act all cute and fun with your summer hairstyle. The next photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is a little bit cliche, and I don't know if you have seen this. I'm pretty sure you have, but you have seen a lot of pictures like this one right here where the girl is coming out of the water like a siren, like a lifeguard. So you can also recreate that idea if you want to. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to go on a road trip, have someone take a picture of you with your head out of the window, with your body out of the window, and just having fun. And you can also bring some friends and have someone go behind the car and take some pictures of you guys on the sunroof, and just like having fun and doing like this. And you know, you get it, you have seen the picture, so you know what I mean. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to go and rent a bike or carry a bike that you have. Take some cute pictures. You can put some flowers on a little basket that you may have on your bike, pair it up with a cute outfit, and I just think that those pictures are so aesthetic, so cute, so summery, so I just had to include them as well. Another section that I have on my Pinterest board for summer photo shoot ideas is a professional photo shoot idea, like the one I'm showing you right now. These are a little bit difficult to make, but as you can see, like it's like really amazing and wonderful to just see the girl below the water. Another photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to go on a market, a fruit market, and just like pick some little fruits that you may want to eat. You can pick some apples, some oranges, smoothie, and just like pair it up with a cute outfit and have that fruit as a prop. The next summer photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to take the cutest bikini you have and let the focus of that picture be your cute bikini. So you can get like a striped bikini like this that I'm showing you right now, and just focus on getting a picture with your bikini and look good on it. I bet you all do. The next photo shoot idea that I have for you guys is to take a picture while you eat some fruit. You can have some friends over and just like slice up some fruit and put it on a basket, put it on a little plate, and just eat them and look cute while doing it. The next photo shoot idea is to take pictures of your summer hairstyle for the day. You could do some braids, you could have some waves, you can have some curls, go to the beach, take a picture of your hair, and I just think that those are a must during the summer. The next photo shoot idea involves you having friends. Have someone take pictures of what you guys are doing, smile, have fun, and just have a fun day with your friends. And last but not least, the last summer photo shoot idea is to take flat lays of things, of your summer essentials. For example, here in this photo, you can appreciate like a summer bag, you can appreciate some summer shoes, a summer hat, a Polaroid camera, and just like lay a little blanket below it and just snap that photo of that flat lay that screams summer. So guys, that is it for my summer photo shoot ideas. I really hope that you found this video helpful and got some inspiration for your summer photo shoots. Let me know if you do, and if you do, just tag me on Instagram if you want to. But yeah, make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel to see more of my summer videos, and I'll just see you next time. Bye!